What's the meaning of capri pants? Capri pants. Capri pants.
Capri pants. Capri pants. Capri pants are a style of women's pants that are designed to be worn in warm weather. They are typically characterized by their length, which falls just below the knee and above the ankle. Capri pants were first popularized in the late 1950s and have since become a staple of many women's wardrobes. They are a versatile clothing item that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Capri pants are often made from lightweight materials such as cotton or linen, making them comfortable and breathable to wear.